Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the suggestive settings when you're using your AC. So the first is on the thermostat, you just need to put your system to cool and fan should be on auto. And then this one is your set temperature. So you can put it to the desired temperatures like 22 or 23. And then depending on your room temperature, your AC will be running. Then also you can put a hold. So if you want the temperature that you set to be the stable temperature, then you can press hold button and hold it. Or you can also press run button and program it. So I'll be adding a link on the top right corner for the full detailed video for this thermostat, that how every setting works and how you can program your thermostat. So the recommended setting for HRV with your AC on is that first your fan speed can be between 3 to 5. And then for the ventilation, so automatic ventilation mode on, you can have 20-minute on, 40-minute standby option. So this will keep your house enough ventilated. As with AC, we keep doors and windows closed, so your proper ventilation must be properly done. And then for the second option that I highly recommend is going 20 minutes on and 40 minutes recirculation options. Yes, I understand in this one your HRV will be running all the time, but in this the system will be ventilating for 20 minutes, and then for 40 minutes there will be a continuous or you can say a continuous airflow, as sometime with AC you feel humid or damp in your house. So this will solve that problem because your air is continuously moving. Also, you will not need to use your fan in individual rooms because this is keeping that, or this is serving that purpose. So you will feel more cool air flowing through your house. And then for your humidity here, this is real humidity right now. So this one will be going up and down depending on the weather outside. This RH humidity setting, you can keep it to off by pressing this drop button. Why off? Because in summer you don't need to control your humidity inside the house, but unless you with AC you feel a bit dry, then I'll be explaining you the humidifier settings as well. So now in terms of your humidifier, you may not need to use it in summer even with AC, but if you think your house is start getting drier, then you can use it. The only thing you need to do is put this arrow to winter mode so that the flap inside opens and then allows the air to flow and picks up the moisture from humidifier pad. So I won't be going through full detail about humidifier, and I'll put a link on the top right corner for another video. But yes, just keep it in mind that you can put it to winter mode, and then on the top, if you see, there is the Humidistat, with which you can control your humidity inside the house. Then on a bonus tip, your condensate line for your HRV and then for your furnace, it should be clean. So what happens is with time, when your HRV and furnace system is running, there will be debris accumulated and it won't allow the the condensate water to drain. So make sure you clean it, especially this part. This one is a brand new house, so you won't see it, but if yours is 1 or 2 years old, and if you go and check, there will be accumulation here. So it's very simple. Just open your pipe. You can just remove these parts very easily. Like, you just have to shake it slowly and this will come off, and then you can clean it with hot water, or you can also use vinegar. So what you can do is just remove this part, keep it in 50% water, 50% vinegar solution, keep it overnight or for a few hours, and then you can properly rinse it and install it back. And also you can do same thing for your furnace condensate line. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy your AC more with these suggestive settings. And thanks for watching the video. If this video helps you, please like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.